this is Chef Bharat. I'm a brand chef for Sammy Sosa. As you all know, Sammy Sosa is a Mexican restaurant. We have 3 locations in Mumbai. Here I'm accepting a Times Group campaign #lockdown menu today, where I'm preparing a Mexican dish which is burrito. So for burrito, what we need some basic ingredients here. It's basically a pico de gallo. Pico de gallo is in salsa. For that salsa, we need onion, we need tomato, we need green chili, we need garlic, we need some ketchup, and then what we need is finally olive oil for that. The second thing what we need is something which is called an jalapeno salsa. Yes, jalapeno is not available there in the market, or maybe you will not get it in this lockdown period. So what I did, whatever green chilies what I got in the market, I got that green chili. I roasted it with onion. I roasted it with garlic, equal quantity of onion and garlic, and then some green chilies. Whatever green chili I'll get it, I roast it. Along with that, I blanch spring onion, greens, and parsley and coriander, and all of that I paste it, and then this beautiful sauce is made. I made a sour cream. Simple thing. It's basically a cream which has been beaten with some lemon juice and salt. Obviously, if you don't have a sour cream, you can use curd. So then we made a green dough. So don't be surprised what is green dough. Green dough is something which is your chapati atta or a roti atta, what you cook it at home. I just added some Mexican ingredient to it and spinach to it to make it healthy. The spinach is there. There are some oregano inside. There is some black pepper, some turmeric, and some roasted cumin seeds. That's it. One of the major ingredient in burrito is refried beans. What we need for that is boiled rajma. We need some cumin seeds. We need some black pepper. We need some ketchup. We need some turmeric powder, some garlic, and some chili paste. What I did is I made all of this in a pan. Because it takes time, it takes around 20 to 25 minutes to finally cook it. My refried beans is done. Now let's make pico de gallo. So pico de gallo is something which is made up of these ingredients. One is onion. Let's put onion. Chopped tomato. It's seedless tomatoes. Green chilies. As per your spice taste, add the green chili. And then there is garlic. I simply grate the garlic. The reason, because it is very easy to do rather than chopping, getting the flakes and all that. I add some olive oil into it. Add some tomato ketchup and I mix it. Bingo, your pico de gallo is done. Here the green dough. I made a tortilla of the green dough, simple, and I then roast it simply. See, you can roast it same like the chapatis what you do. I roast it from both the sides. So my tortilla is half cooked. Now the finishing touch. What we do, we apply the jalapeno sauce. Depends on the spiciness of the sauce. You can decide how thick should be the applying. Steam rice. Here what I am doing is some of the rice which I cook it for other things in my home, like with dal. I am using the same rice. The pico de gallo what we made. I'm adding the pico de gallo to it. Then there is refried beans with the most tasty one. Now everyone's favorite part is the cheese. I'm grating the cheese on the top. Now I'm rolling this roti. Heating the pan, adding some oil. You can add some butter as well. Not too much of oil, we just need to finally cook it here. I'm cooking it from all the sides, the rolls. Transferring it to the chopping board again. Cutting it in crosswise. Arranging it this one in the pan. Some extra grated cheese I'm putting on the top for garnish, and some sour cream on the side. This is my dish, which is from one of the best-selling dish from Sammy Sosa, burrito.